Bernard Cohen, born 1963, is an Australian writer, the author of 5 novels and a children's picture book. Cohen won the 2015 inaugural Russell Prize for Humour Writing, 1996 the Australian Vogel Literary Award, was 3 times Sydney Morning Herald Best Young Australian Novelist, one of 2001 Arts Council England Writers' Award, and was University of Technology, Sydney Alumnus of the Year 1997. In 2006 Cohen founded the Writing Workshop, which runs creative writing programs for children in New South Wales and via the internet. Cohen's short stories have been widely anthologized, including in the Penguin Century of Australian Stories, Best Australian Stories 2002 and 2009 in Picador New Writing. From 1990 to 1991 he was co-editor of the literary journal Editions Review. Bibliography. Novels. Tourism, Picador, Sydney, 1992. The Blindman's Hat, Allen and Unwin, Sydney, 1997. Snowdome, Allen and Unwin, Sydney, 1998. Hardly Beach Weather, HarperCollins, Sydney, 2002. The Anti-Biography of Robert F. Menzies, Fourth Estate, Sydney, 2013, winner of the Russell Prize. Children's book. Paul Needs Specs, illustrated by Jeff Kelly, Penguin, Melbourne, 2003. K. Miller, La Jolla, California, 2004. Books and Soul, 2011. Other publications. Spit Factory co-authored with John Kinsella, Mackenzie Wark and Terry Ann White. Fremantle Art Centre Press. Fremantle, 2002. Foreign Logic CD-ROM, collaboration with David Bickerstaff, DA2 Digital Arts Development Agency, Bristol, 2001. Institute of Contemporary Art, ICA London, New Media Work of the Month, September 2001. Annalex Zine co-authored with Brent Clout, self-published, Sydney, 1988. References.